This is the Chinese cooking channel called Chinese Cooking Channel. Today we're making chicken noodle soup using free-range chicken. So free-range chicken is really lean, it's got lots of flavor. So when you make a chicken noodle soup with free-range chicken, you're gonna notice the difference. Ooh, that's a real delicious broth.
To chop up 2 or 3 cloves of garlic, and then cut up 2 thumb-sized pieces of ginger. In a large pot, put 16 to 20 cups of water, and bring the water to a boil. Then add your chopped garlic and ginger. The parts of the free-range chicken that you usually don't eat, such as the head, the neck, and other body parts, put those bones right into the broth. As you simmer the broth, skim the edge for any impurities and scum. So do this a few times as you simmer the broth. After simmering the broth for about 2 hours, I'm going to scoop out all the pieces of the bones and the ginger and garlic. Tear up some chicken pieces from the takeout chicken from the night before, or from a free-range chicken that you cooked, and put it into the soup broth.
Here we have 6 Chinese dates and 2 tablespoons of goji berries. So put that right in the last 15 to 30 minutes.
While the broth is simmering, boil some noodles according to the instructions. So these noodles only take about 5 minutes to boil. So once you finish boiling the noodles, rinse the noodles under cold water. So the cold water will stop the cooking of the noodles and also rinse off the starches from the noodles. For each individual serving, put some noodles into a soup bowl. Just before serving, turn on the heat to get a nice boiling for the soup. So just before serving, add salt to taste. So put about 1 tablespoon of sea salt to the broth. Add some cilantro just for color. Ladle some chicken and broth over the noodles. Add a dash of sesame oil for nice fragrance and a touch of nutty flavor. So there you have it, my version of Chinese chicken noodle soup made with free-range chicken. So there's lots of nutrition, there's lots of taste. Enjoy.
And you gotta taste the broth. Ooh, that's nice. Been simmered for over 2 hours for the soup. And lots of taste. Put some nice noodles in there. You gotta try that.
Order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use.
Thanks for checking out my video. And please give me a thumbs up. And be sure to check out some of my other videos on this channel. And please subscribe.